Hey guys, Austin Gamer here, back ready to video. Today I'm going to show you how to have a cool account on Roblox, a cool account, cool username, and cool inventory stuff. Check it out. So, you put any random day. It's all random. I'm going to put a random date. Then for the username, you're going to put something creative without numbers. And try not to put compounded names. So I'm going to try Off Speed Gamer. Okay. Cool name. After I made my name Austin Gamer, you're gonna go on your avatar. You're gonna take out all the stuff that's you're currently wearing. Everything you're wearing, take it out. Just do it. Then, for skin tone, you're gonna go to advanced, and then you're gonna put all this. For now. Now you go in the catalog and you get everything in the catalog, but that's gonna be a long video. I'm just gonna get all the important things I'm gonna get all the free things, and I'm gonna also show you how to get free Robux. But you have to use my my group in Roblox. Waiting. Okay, so go on shirts. Go on low and high, get the free ones. So, get this one or this one. So I'm gonna choose both of them, because why not? We'll go back. And after this video, I'm gonna show you cool tips for games, you know, any game like jailbreak and etc. Here you get the shirt. Go back on the catalog. Go to pants, go on, go to high, get this one. If you have the time, get every single thing that's free. All the gears, all of this, and try to do event items. So after you get that, go in the avatar. And you're not to be wearing this. And then get a t-shirt. Go on t-shirts. I'm going to show you how to get a free t-shirts. But there's one that's called Steelers. This one you can wear. It's free. It should be typed like this. Okay, never mind. Don't do it. Go if you want a suit, then type up red suit. Red tie and suit. So type up red tie, and I'll see which ones is. I'll tell you which one is the best one. Then just type up black suit. Really, all these things are getting deleted. That's the only thing they have. Wow. Seriously, that's the only thing they have? Come on, bro. I have more than that. Okay, get this one. You might thinking, oh, it's 3 Robux. I don't have any Robux. It's another trick. You see the ID? Press 1 underneath. Okay, if that's not it, go back. Got it? Then you go click 2 underneath. Then that's not working, then go 3 underneath. You'll eventually get it. So I think 2 is it, so. See, now you get this one. Just press copy. For save image as. Okay, so go on any of them, then I'm just gonna put type up whatever that you remember. Then go to go on groups and type up NBC shirt creators put in groups. See, you'll be surprised of all of this. Join t-shirt creators and groups right there. Click the first one. Join group. The one that's from Lost Unity. Okay, I found the problem with that. And when you type up NBC shirt creator, and when you go in groups, the problem with these two are they are private. So go on the third one, that's public. That was a problem, and you joined the group there. Wait. Never mind, guys. Do not join any groups. Just try to. Oh, never mind. I'm sorry. I just joined the group. That's my group. I'm in. And you go to. Which one did you go to again? So now. Oh, this is the t-shirts. That's what I'm uploading from the image I saved. Okay, so that doesn't work. Any of that. Go to the and the problem with this is as Roblox, so you can use this and else. Whatever, so after all that, get your accessories, your hair. Get that, the true blue hair. Now you need to get the you get check it face, then you go in another tab, you delete it, and then you go type up roblox / promo code. It says redeem promo codes. And type up tweet Roblox. Okay, go to avatar after you redeemed it. One good step, almost last step. I think this is gonna be the last step. Go on catalog. So I cut the scene over here because I'm losing time. I'm almost a couple minutes left. So NBC shirt makers. You go to this one that's designed by Mr. Shang. Go choose a file very quickly before I don't want to make a part 2 of this. Upload. Have it in the description. Copy, paste. And you put the Shyless Aviator, you put all that on. Make sure the left arm is this, man, right arm is man. It's loading, it has to load quickly, and that is it, guys. In 20 seconds, I'm gonna end the video in 10 seconds. So I'm gonna pause it until it loads. I cut it temporarily. I cut it 1 second before I ended, but here is it, guys. All you have to do is wait a minute before this. That is it. Subscribe, like, and comment, and you put the torso black. That's it.